Welcome back to the last vlog in our Guatemala series. Today we are on our way to Eagle's Nest in San Marcos for a yoga class. Stretching is such an essential part of our daily routine, so we decided to book a class and ended up finding a great spot for it with some incredible views.
I'm not sure if it was just us, but Eagle's Nest was actually difficult to find. We got lost a couple times and had to ask somebody for help. Thankfully, he got us back on track and we were able to catch a tuk-tuk the rest of the way. We actually recommend doing this because the roads in this area are very steep. Even after the tuk-tuk dropped us off, we still had 5 minutes to walk to the entrance. Aside from boat taxis, tuk-tuks are the primary source of transportation in Lake Atitlan. The views at Eagle's Nest are absolutely stunning. You can't help but to admire the volcanoes and take in the open, fresh air. While I was doing yoga, I would take moments to take in the beautiful scenery all around me.
If you want to grab a spot up front and have the best views and be closer to the instructor, we definitely recommend coming early to secure your mat. We can't stress enough the importance of taking the time to stretch your body on a daily basis. That's just the physical therapist in us. Stretching not only helps improve flexibility, but it also increases blood flow to the muscles and helps prevent injuries.
Whether you're doing yoga or any other form of exercise, incorporating stretching into your routine can have numerous benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. So take a few moments each day to stretch and give your body the care it deserves. Hi you guys, we just finished our yoga class at Eagle's Nest. Our instructor was Rachel. We're on the platform, so we have a very nice view. It was super relaxing.
Yeah, we did a lot of downward facing dog, which was great because after the hike at Indian Face, Maya Nose yesterday, our calves were feeling it, or at least my calves are definitely feeling it. So to be able to stretch it out, get some of that lactic acid out of our legs, really get to open up our hips, was everything that we needed today.
Yeah, it was very relaxing. So if you are looking for I thought it was going to be more restorative the entire time. How long was the yoga class for?
It was a little over an hour, I would say.
Yeah, so in the beginning it was a little difficult.
There was some strengthening. We did a lot of planks, a lot of core strengthening, a lot of shoulder strengthening as well, and shoulder stability. But all in all, it was a great workout, a great stretch. Our bodies feel great, primed, and ready to conquer the rest of the day.
Even if you're a beginner, I feel like you can just go at your own pace, and she's very patient, and she's accommodating to anybody, regardless of what level yogi you are.
And there was no judgment. I did notice, because I was struggling, I did notice another gentleman on the other side of the room. We kind of locked eyes. We were both just trying to do the best that we can, but you go with your own pace. That's what yoga is. Yep. You go at your own pace with your own body. Listen to your body, and your body will thank you.
I'm finna take you home. Hi, puppy dog. Hi. Oh. All right.
After our 90-minute session, which ended up being quite a bit more aggressive than what we were anticipating, we definitely worked up an appetite, so we stopped to have some lunch before catching a boat taxi back to La Fortuna. We walked around for a little bit and found a local spot called Casa Juanita. The food here was very good and beyond reasonably priced.
When we initially booked our hotel stay, we made sure to stay at Suite 1 and Suite 5. All the suites are beautiful in their own way, but Suite 5 is the biggest and the best suite on the property, so we had to experience it for ourselves, even if it was just for one night. Just up the stairs leads to a beautifully crafted bedroom with a gorgeous view of the lake. Imagine viewing these sunrises and sunsets from here. The suite also comes with its own private pool. Swimming in the lake isn't really advised here, but at La Fortuna they offer you paddle boards if you want to get out on the water. Getting around Lake Atitlan is very affordable. The staff at La Fortuna make it really easy to get around because they have their own boat taxi that will pick you up right at their private dock to get you to and from your destinations. The property grounds are so well kept and there's plenty of areas to lounge by the water. There's a jacuzzi that's open to all the guests, and the cute vintage turquoise fan you see is actually a sauna. Honestly, it felt like we had the whole property to ourselves because everything is just so well spaced out and you feel like you're the only one staying there. If you just wanted to stay at La Fortuna and relax, you definitely could because the meals and drinks are delicious here. We will definitely be back in the future.
All in all, if you are looking for a fantastic getaway and to visit a country that has a lot to offer, like great hikes, views, and affordable food, then you should definitely come and visit Guatemala.